Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix formatting issues on Perplexity. So just tap on my Google Chrome and officially logged in my perplexity.ai and how to fix the format issue right now here. So just go back and open my another browser, and right now I just copy it. There's a short story. I just copy it and open my again perplexity.ai and paste it here. So I just tap on single click and just paste it here, and when I just tap to again a single tap on it, so here is the format option. I selected all and just tap the next arrow, and here is the format. I just tap to format and switch the left side. So here you will see it's work. So if I just erase it, so I just tap to a single click and again tap to format and switch to left side. So the this is how you can just fix the format issue. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, then get notified for more videos.